The dating scene is in shambles. You know, a while ago, I was conversating with this lady, and then she told me all of a sudden she didn't see what was wrong with cheating. I was like, really? And then she also told me that if another man's woman comes to her and tries to get in her pants, then that's their problem. You know, at first I was like, wow, that's horrible. Which, don't get me wrong, it is. But I also had to think a little deeper. She's not entirely wrong. If you're not content with the relationship you have, then why are you with that person? Love's a choice. So, choose wisely.